Maintenance Planner continues to support both on-premise scenarios and hybrid use cases. Whether you're focused on moving to SAP S/4HANA or moving to the cloud, Maintenance Planner has you covered. Let's take a look at the highlights in the latest release of Maintenance Planner, including Product Analytics, Landscape Visualization, and Planning Cloud Integration Scenario. In a few simple clicks, you can drill down to the details of a selected product and view different product versions. This enables you to make strategic decisions based on the product versions in your landscape. You can open a picture of your hybrid landscape and easily identify systems with product versions going out of maintenance in a selected time period. Now, you can be proactive. In this case, selecting Plan for SAP S/4HANA automatically redirects you to the guided procedure for SAP S/4HANA planning. Maintenance Planner now provides comprehensive landscape visualization. This means that you can create, edit, or maintain landscape pictures. You can also visualize dependencies and trigger the relevant planning operations. As you can see in this example, it's easy to filter the list of on-premise systems and cloud tenants and add them to the canvas. You can also add visual and custom attributes. For example, you can display all cloud tenants with a cloud icon, or all ERP systems in blue. Intelligent Enterprise needs an intelligent core, which is well integrated with other solutions in the landscape. Integration across SAP on-premise and cloud solutions can be challenging, as it often involves manual steps. With Maintenance Planner, you can now plan cloud integration automation scenarios. This results in a guided workflow to integrate SAP Cloud solutions into on-premise solutions or other SAP Cloud solutions. Maintenance Planner supports you at every stage of your organization's digital transformation, helping you make the intelligent enterprise a reality. Did we spark your interest? For more information, click on the Onboarding SAP note linked below.